Hi, my name is Evan Paul, and I'm here today to show you how we can create our own coloring page and then digitally color it in. Let's get started. So in your kit, you're going to find a couple of things. Some sheets of tracing paper, a permanent marker, and a mechanical pencil. You also need a couple of things from your own home. A camera, a cell phone with a camera attached to it, and something to trace from. I chose this Richard Scarry book. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is find an image or images that you want to trace. I decided I want to make it something springy, and so I found this nice picture of a bunny doing some gardening in this Richard Scarry book. We're going to take our tracing paper and your mechanical pencil, and you're going to start tracing. Look at them, but I think it needs a little bit more. Maybe some kind of flower in the background? Let's see, let's add a flower here. There we go. Nice little flowers there in the background. I think I could use one other thing though. Let's find a friend for them, okay? Oh, I like this little baby fish here. Okay, after you make your tracings, you can set your source material aside. Now we're going to ink in our drawing to increase the contrast and give us a little thicker line to work with and hide any mistakes that were made while we were tracing this. You might be able to use a thinner pen for sure, but I really like Sharpies for getting quick, bold lines. Really, the key is not to press down too hard, but just to use the tip. That way you have a lot of control over the thickness and quality of your line. To capture the drawing we just made, we can snap a photo of it, but I like to use this app called PhotoScan. It's available on both Android and iOS devices. It makes it very easy to capture scanner quality images of pictures and documents with just your phone. The app provides some instructions when you first start it, but basically, you want to take a picture with your subject centered in it, the frame, and then move the phone around to align the dots so that PhotoScan can capture the image from a variety of angles. Neat! Now I've got a pretty high quality image of our drawing on our phone. To finish cleaning it up and to add color, we're going to use another app. This one's called ibisPaint X. There are a lot of different apps out there that you could use for this. I like this one because it makes it super easy to work with line art. When you open it up, go to the My Gallery button and press the plus sign. Choose the top option, Import Picture, and select the image that you scanned in with the PhotoScan app. The image should automatically launch a dialog box called Extract Line Drawing. Launch this. There are a couple of sliders, and these control the threshold at which your line art is recognized. Adjust them if necessary, and then select the green check mark to start coloring. So from here we can color our drawing using the bucket tool. Choose the color you want from the color button on the bottom of the screen and then start filling in your drawing. After you're done, you can press the back arrow and save your finished drawing as a PNG and share it with your friends. That's it. I hope you found this useful. If you want to share what you made with the library, feel free to tag us on Instagram or Facebook. We'd love to see what you made. Thank you.